Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super exciting because I'm going to share a 7-day skincare challenge that can completely transform your skin. If you've been struggling with breakouts, dryness, or dull skin, don't worry. Follow this simple 7 days Be Skincare routine, and by the end of the week, you'll see noticeable results. If you kept track of your progress during this challenge, go back and compare your notes or pictures. I promise you'll see a difference. Sounds interesting, right? So let's begin. Secret: 1 deep cleanse and detox. The first and most important step to glowing skin is cleansing. Throughout the day, our skin collects dirt, oil, and pollution, which can clog our pores and lead to breakouts. So let's start with a deep cleanse. Use a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type. If you have oily skin, go for a foaming cleanser. If you have dry skin, a hydrating cleanser will work best. And if you wear makeup, don't forget to double cleanse. Next, exfoliation. Exfoliating 2-3 times a week removes dead skin cells and improves skin texture. Just be careful not to overdo it, as overexfoliation can damage your skin barrier. Secret 2: hydration and glow. Hydration is the secret to youthful, glowing skin. Many people think skincare is all about applying products, but what you put inside your body matters too. So, start your day with a big glass of water. For an extra hydration boost, use a hyaluronic acid serum after cleansing. Hyaluronic acid attracts moisture and keeps your skin plump and smooth. Follow it up with a lightweight moisturizer to lock in hydration. Secret 3: nighttime repair routine. Your skin heals and regenerates while you sleep, so having a nighttime skincare routine is a game changer. After cleansing, apply a night cream with retinol, peptides, or niacinamide. These ingredients help reduce fine lines, acne scars, and dullness. And don't forget the delicate areas. Use an eye cream to prevent dark circles and a lip balm to keep your lips soft and hydrated. Trust me, your skin will thank you in the morning. Secret 4: sun protection is a must. If there's one step in your skincare routine that you should never skip, it's sunscreen. Did you know that 90% of premature aging is caused by sun damage? UV rays lead to wrinkles, pigmentation, and skin dullness. Use a broad-spectrum SPF 30+ sunscreen every single day, even if you're indoors. Apply it 15 minutes before stepping out, and don't forget to reapply every 2 to 3 hours for maximum protection. Secret 5: stress-free skin. Did you know that stress can trigger breakouts, redness, and premature aging? That's why taking care of your mental health is just as important as your skincare routine. Try meditation, deep breathing, or simply taking a few minutes to relax. Your skin reflects your inner well-being, so a stress-free mind equals happy, glowing skin. Secret 6: face massage and lymphatic drainage. A simple 5-minute face massage can do wonders for your skin. It boosts blood circulation, reduces puffiness, and gives a natural lift to your face. Use a gua sha or jade roller with a facial oil for the best results. Secret 7: your skin transformed. Congratulations, you made it to day 7 of our skincare challenge. First of all, give yourself a big round of applause because taking care of your skin consistently for a whole week is a huge step toward long-term skin health. By now, you should notice a real difference. Your skin should feel softer, look more radiant, and have that fresh, natural glow. Maybe your acne has calmed down, your dark spots have started to fade, or your face just feels more hydrated and healthy. Skincare isn't magic, and it's not about achieving perfect skin overnight. It's about consistency, patience, and using the right products for your skin type. Even small changes, like following a simple routine, can completely transform your skin over time. So, what's next? Well, this challenge might be over, but your skincare journey has just begun. If you've seen improvements, I challenge you to continue this routine for another 30 days and see even more amazing results. Also, let's not forget skincare isn't just about products. It's about your overall lifestyle. So think of skincare as self-care, something you do to nourish and love yourself every day. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know how your skin feels after this 7-day challenge. Did you notice any changes? What was your favorite step? Let's chat in the comments. And if you enjoyed this challenge, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell because I have so many more amazing skincare tips, DIYs, and routines coming up that you won't want to miss. Thank you so much for being part of this skincare journey with me. See you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay healthy, and of course, stay glowing.